How to delete dead space in CapCut. Dead space usually refers to those silent or blank gaps between clips, and removing them will help your video flow better. So let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut. I have already opened my project right here. Now zoom out a bit so you can see any obvious gaps or blank areas between your clips. As you can see, here is the blank area in this clip. If I have to remove this dead area, all I need to do is first split the video like this and adjust it like this. Now click and drag each clip to the left to close the gaps manually like this. CapCut will automatically snap the clips together, removing the space. Just as you can see, it has automatically attached the clips together. Once you have adjusted the clip, preview your video. That's it, you have successfully deleted the dead space in your CapCut project. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.